Develop is really an engineering company at heart. We build manufacturing equipment or custom machines and robotic cells for companies that manufacture other stuff. Develop is among the few machine builders that has all the engineering under one roof, but then we've also figured out ways to bring it all together differently. For us, vertical integration is owning all of the engineering. So having mechanical, electrical, and software engineers all working together, and then knowing how their softwares work together as well, how we need to hand stuff off, but then also having the team of technicians to machine components, assemble all the machines we design, and make the iterations very quickly. The benefit of having the engineers that design our machines actually assembling them is that they just become stronger engineers because they see the problems or pains in maintenance, in assembly. So then when they design the next machine, we can be leaner on it. And the best way to do that is to put the people that are designing the CAD, the team members that are routing the schematics on the floor actually doing it physically because they did it digitally. Automation in manufacturing today is so important because there's so many tasks that are just labor intensive, so you can't get enough people, or the quality just needs to be so top notch that robots are going to be doing them precisely the same every single time. There's also just dirty and dangerous jobs that robots are really well suited for. The automation industry is just exploding. There really isn't enough engineering support to cover it. And so what has to happen is we have to get the engineering teams to be far more efficient than they've ever been. And that's by leveraging the tools that we have right now and making them better and better, just like SolidWorks is doing.
For the past year, we've spent hundreds of hours just refining our process so that what we do in SolidWorks matches what we do on the floor and how we do it. We've probably written 10 to 20 custom macros for SolidWorks that have really helped us do that.
Moving to SolidWorks Electrical is because of how heavy we use the CAD portion of it. So being able to interact with the mechanical team to make sure that we get cut lengths of wires, being able to describe the wiring, how it's going to flow through the machine, lets us collaborate on building the machine as efficiently as possible.
It's not just SolidWorks Electrical being able to create schematics and routing. It's not just SolidWorks PDM. It's being able to bring that entire ecosystem, and that's what makes my team able to work faster together.
Develop's kind of a unique company. Our whole team is engineers and from all different types of industries, all different types of backgrounds. So the different viewpoints that come to solving a problem are really unique.
The mission for Develop is to become the best automation company on the planet because we think that good educational content, good machines, and engineered equipment should be accessible to all U.S. manufacturers easily.